Is Vanille Fatale by Tom Ford a Tobacco Vanille killer? Hey Fragrance family, I'm Dave with Fragrance Bros, of course your best source for everything fragrance related. Today we're talking about the newest fragrance from Tom Ford, Vanille Fatale, and how that compares to Tom Ford's masterpiece, Tobacco Vanille. I've seen some chatter about these two being compared before. I know some people have made some videos about this. So I just wanted to give my take on what I think is the main differences between these two. And if Vanille Fatale is a Tobacco Vanille killer. Let's see. First off, here's the bottles here. I got the big boys here. Here's Vanille Fatale, Tobacco Vanille. They're in the same private blend bottles, just the standard private blend line that you have. Sometimes they're a little bit different. These are the kind of just a standard private blend line. Tobacco Vanille, easily one of the best from Tom Ford. Tom Ford has even said that it's one of his favorite from the private blend line. It was one of the original offerings in the private blend line and has been there since. It's been really, really popular in the fragrance community. It's just, with good reason, it's a really great fragrance. If you need a full review of Tobacco Vanille, I have a link up here. It's an older review. But it kind of goes over the main points of Tobacco Vanille. Really great fragrance. And the main notes in Tobacco Vanille are vanilla, tobacco, cinnamon, and cocoa, I believe, as well as some fruity notes, maybe some boozy notes in there. Vanille Fatale is quite different. It has notes of saffron, coriander, myrrh, frankincense, coffee, roasted barley, narcissus, frangipani, Madagascar vanilla, and mahogany. So very different note lineup in this one. And it smells quite different. I mean, it's dramatically different. With the notes in there, you would think that the florals would be kind of buried within the coffee, myrrh, and you know, frankincense, and those kind of notes. I thought it was gonna be that way. I thought it was gonna be more vanilla forward, and it's not. It's a little bit fresher and cleaner. I definitely get a lot more florals. I believe it's the frangipani that is the one that comes off the most. The Madagascar vanilla is really one thing that differentiates itself in the vanilla than Tobacco Vanille. Tobacco Vanille to me is more of a cinnamon fragrance. So I get a lot of cinnamon at the front, and that's mostly what I get. And there is some tobacco in there, though I wouldn't really call it a tobacco scent. And there is vanilla in there, but it's more like a vanilla extract type of smell. So it's that boozy type of vanilla that I think really works well with that. But overall, it's a very, very spicy scent. And that's one thing I really like about it. Vanille Fatale, very, very floral, unisex, and fresh. One thing that's hard about Tobacco Vanille is you really can't wear it outside of cold weather at all. It's not one of those scents that you can really wear. It's just very, very beastly. Vanille Fatale, definitely a lot more user-friendly, definitely a lot more wearable in the warmer weather. So I think they kind of marketed it that way. I think that the main audience for Tobacco Vanille to me seems like it's mostly men. It smells more like a masculine scent to me because of the spice forward aspect of it. Vanille Fatale, still accessible for men, but I think that it's gonna be more of a unisex scent, and women out there would like this a little bit more. As far as the difference in performance, Vanille Fatale on me has always lasted a long time and has always projected really well, partly because of the note structure. But with Vanille Fatale, I get in the average range, maybe a little bit more. It's been definitely adequate. It's not as beastly as Tobacco Vanille, but the note structure is completely different. With a note structure that emphasizes florals, you're not gonna get 12 plus hours out of it. So you gotta know that going in. Both are excellent. Is it a Tobacco Vanille killer? No, I don't think so. But I don't think it was ever meant to replace Tobacco Vanille. It seems more like a companion to Tobacco Vanille. So if you like vanilla scents, you can have both of these and kind of wear them all year long. One in the warmer months, one in the colder months, and then you kind of have a complete collection from Tom Ford. Both are excellent and definitely worth the cash and worth trying anyway. I really like Vanille Fatale, so I really recommend it out there. If you like florals and fresh scents and kind of a fresher vanilla type scent, definitely worth checking out. So those are my thoughts. What do you think of Vanille Fatale, and what do you think of it compared with Tobacco Vanille? Let me know down in the comments. Of course, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the way out. I'll love you for it. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave with the Fragrance Bros. Bye. Thanks everyone for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to check out my other channel, Beast Made Reviews, where me and a friend review high quality products for men. You might like it. Go check it out.